Hello folks, it's me again. I'm going to show you something that I'm doing. I only need two of them, but I got a whole bunch of them to mess with. So let's zoom the camera down and see what we're doing here. Alright, I don't know if you can see here, but it's not plugged in again. Alrighty. Loosen the shit out of the way. What I do have is a bunch of these that apparently won't come apart. Let me check here. Okay, this comes apart. Well, I have a nice shiny new one. And I'm not really sure how to get... Let's put this one over here for now. Not really sure how to get these shiny black like that again, but... Got the bolt. I have this thing should come out of here. But... I picked up another one of these. This is definitely old rubber. Here. Will this come out? Probably not. Nope. I want to figure out how this is pushed in here. I have a feeling it's either pressed in with a... So anyway, I got this. It's pretty much identical. I need one of these. But I have all the parts. I picked up a new one like this, and I've realized that if it's pretty nice, it's not perfect. This is usable parts. A lot of these things are toast. Let's see. Alexa G. Okay, this one's coming apart. I'm gonna show you what I plan on doing, see, because this is... I don't think you can buy this piece, but this one's pretty nice, and I don't know if I can anodize it black, or if you can see what the hell I'm doing here. Hold on, let me double check. So I need this piece. This one is roasted. I'm going to use this as an experiment, because if I can figure out how to get these out of here, I might be able to buy one of these, push this one out, and put it in here. If they're made to the same exact spec, which, who knows. But in order for me to put... See, if this is a nice black one. I don't know if this is toasted or what. Yeah, this one's roasted. This one's pretty much junk. And the screws... Okay, the screws fit. If the screw fits, wear it. So this one comes apart. But what I noticed about... Oh, this is... I bought one of these. It was like $4, new old stock. It's got the rubber thing on it, goldy thing. But I was like, you know what? I'll show you what's good on it. I only bought 4 of them because it was like 20 bucks. So what's good is that's brand new. They're about between 4 and 10 bucks. There you buy them. This is between, this little piece right here is between 5 and 10 bucks. And the little spring I just dropped, depending where you buy it, 4 to 10 bucks. This is not the same as these at all, I don't think. Same as the other side. Yeah. They're a little shorter. But I don't care about this part, because if this, see this piece right here. So you got this piece, which is, what was I doing? Yeah, it was like this. The good part is I used it on here. This piece came by itself. I scavenged this piece off of here and put it on there. I also have a black one like this, which I picked up online. But also, if you take this, I think these were 10, 12 bucks online. Take this screw and nut off here. Put that right there. And if you want a nice bolt, like I say, you just want something nice. I want to see if they'll fit on each other. So like, will this fit in here? See? Now you got a nice non-rusty bolt. It's kind of clapped out here, but it does fit in there. See? Now you got a nice bolt in there. So I take this and I take this out of here. See, because when you get a used one, old one, the bolts kind of look like that. They could be, chromed or whatever. And then I get a nice, it's somewhat decent. It's not the greatest. But if the bottom part's okay, so if we take this off of here, like this, and this goes, where's it going here? Yeah. That goes like that. And this goes on here. That's the only problem. A lot of times, this is bent right here, like this one. I can see it's bent. That's why you get Nipex pliers, and you just give it a little nip. Bend it back. Come on. Just want to cooperate. Gotta find something to put in there, bend it back. Let's see. Nope. I gotta find something to get some leverage with. Let's try this one. Does this one still work? Yeah, it works. So if we take this, put it in there, take this, and that might not be space in there. Oh, there we go. See? It may not be perfect, but let's see, like this. I'll show you what I was doing. Now at least I have a nice, what looks to be a lot nicer. Except then here's the other problem. See that spot right there where a little lock goes in there? Got to watch online. That's not working. Has to be refiled. So I won't use this one. But you can make a match these things all you want. See if I could find one that works. I mean, I could probably buy another one, but I can't seem to find a black one. I found this piece, found the other piece, and I don't have any, I don't think I have any non-black ones here for some reason. So look, I got these two pieces are pretty decent. It's got a little wear right there, but you never see it behind you'll never see it behind there. So it's pretty decent. The pin is reusable. This one's clapped out, basically. This one is okay, but I think that thing's bent. I need to pry it open. This one is, but they're so old they're almost gray. But I needed one of these. See, this one's it's been reversed so many times. There's actually a groove in there, like a little rounded out. This one's not so bad, which is pretty okay. I could probably buff this out, but I need to figure out how to anodize this thing black, like a nice black. This one you can tell has been driven. I don't know if you can see the difference in this, but look at this one and look at this one. Which bike? Look at the wear and tear on there. Look at that. That's crazy. Same part. Somebody drove this a long time. These two are clapped out. This one's pretty good. And where's the other one? This one's really good. There's just these two are pretty good. See, not too sun-baked. Seriously sun-baked. So I should have polished it and, I don't know, color and black marker. But I got a black one like this. But I wanted to see what else I had here. See, because this is an original handle, I think. These the same. Yep, they're original. I got two here like that. I got another one in the bag here. Actually, it's for that side. This one, the cable's still in it. Little piece of lead in there. So I'll see which one is. See, these I can easily repolish. That's not a big deal. Not a big deal. The actual bolt is in nice shape too. So clean it up. The chrome finish is pretty good, and I should probably go put on the wear wheel and show you what it looks like after. See, the bolts are always messed. You can buy these online. I have an aftermarket one just like this, but I mean, sometimes it's just like, do you buy another one or you just clean it up? But I really want a black one. This one's in good shape, but the damn button is toast. That's why I want to see if I can press this button out of here. I'm going to use, where's the other one? Where did I put that one? I had a black one. There's a bent one here somewhere. Where's the bendy one? Oh, here it is. Let's see if I can put this on my press and press that right out of there. See if it does come out. I'm going to try taking one of these apart. I'll buy another one. I'm going to pop that out of there. Let's see if I can fix one of these. Use an original. But I only want the black one on my 86, because apparently 86 had the one that had the black ones. So, but this pin fits in here, which is awesome. So yeah, we have this one is roasted, extra piece right there. So yeah, is that all I got? Could have sworn some other pieces. Nope, that's it. That's pretty much it. This has got a hole in it. So I'm going to put this back in here for now, so I don't scratch it. And I don't have any non-chromey ones. I don't have any non-chromey homies. This one is okay. Oh, no, that's the other side. But I will take this. See how it looks? Kind of whatever. I'll be right back and I'll show you what it looks like in a second. So anyway, the old one's kind of like this, kind of grayish, you know, tinge there, and the polished one looks slightly polished. I don't know. You can see the difference? It's got a haziness. This one's I did a fast 5-minute polish. Not even done. Like, look, there's no shine in this one. See, it's just kind of, this one's, so yeah, same. Mind you, the little ball ends look different. So maybe it's an aftermarket, maybe it's original. I'll go polish this one, I'll show you. Stay tuned. So now I have two unpolished, similar, I guess they're similar, like they look similar ends. I'm going to polish them and I'll show you the difference as soon as I'm done. So now, this is the one I polished right here. And this is the one I didn't polish. I don't know if you could see the difference, but it's pretty obvious that, yeah. And I just did a cheap polish. I didn't even Went over like 5 minutes. This one's the oxidized one, which looks pretty cruddy. You can see the difference. There's a little bit of crudgy, smudgy on it. So this is a nice one. Anyway, I'll end the video here. Won't keep you forever. Turn this light off. Okay. Thanks for watching and enjoy. Thanks for stopping by my channel. Like, subscribe, and click all the buttons.